Hey there, fellow creators. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube Shorts, and I'm going to show you how to create your very own video in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up the YouTube app on your mobile device and tap on the plus icon in the bottom center of your screen. This will bring up the video creation menu. Now, select the Shorts option at the top of the screen. Next, choose your desired aspect ratio. I recommend starting with the 9:16 ratio, as it's the most popular and versatile. Then, select the record button to begin filming. You can either record directly from your camera or choose a pre-recorded video from your gallery. Once you're done recording, you can add some funny effects, filters, or even a voiceover. Remember to keep your video under 60 seconds, as that's the maximum length for YouTube Shorts. And that's it. You've just created your first YouTube Shorts video. Don't forget to share it with your subscribers and start building your Shorts community. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy creating.
I rather work hard. If I wanna be what I want to be, I rather work hard. If I wanna achieve my dream for real, I rather work hard. If I wanna be what I want to be,